Good morning, everyone. Today is another episode of SCOTDs. That stands for Sign Carvers of the Day, in case you're brand new to the channel. Every once in a while, we take photographs of projects that you guys do, and we show them off for you. We feature what you guys are doing, and today is an amazing group of SCOTDs. So, today's group is from June 18th, 2024 through July 13th. Of 2024. We're running a month or two behind. So if you guys have sent me pictures of your projects within those dates, it should be on this episode. So let's just jump right into it because we got some great ones to share with you. Here we go. We have Robert Black. This one is out of a cool piece of cedar. This is Eastern red cedar actually, and I love the design. I love the live edge. This one is really cool. I love it, Robert. Great job. I love the artwork. So this one is actually could be a really good seller if you guys are doing signs for first responders, military people, vets. So anyway, great job, Robert. I love it. Next one we have Gary Harding, and this one is made for his cousin who is a firefighter in LA. And this one is really cool. It's got all kinds of different aspects here, including the artwork, and it looks like he did a flat background, but really pulled it off. Great job, Gary. I'm sure your cousin's gonna love it. Next we have Philip Hartzog. So there's 4 different signs on this one, and so if you guys have multiple projects that you want to send me, doing a collage like this really works well because I can only show 1 picture per month per person. That's every 30 days. So great job on these, Philip. As always, you're killing it. Especially the hard times, the strong men stencil that you use there. I love the edge on there. Terrific job on all of these, Philip. Great job, buddy. Next we have Keith Hunter. This is another flag veteran theme. I think it looks terrific. I am not sure what kind of material you used here, Keith, but it looks great, man. You're holding a great line. Looks terrific. This next one is really special. This one is by Jason Shotwell. This one took him 6 months to complete. This is a 2-foot by 4-foot coffee table. I have multiple pictures here because one picture just could not do it justice. Unbelievable. Jason is truly an artist and gifted at what he does. Everything here except for the glass on the bed and the headlights and taillights, everything else is wood. It's absolutely stunning what Jason has done here. I don't know if he sells these or not, but again, one picture, I just couldn't get the total. Even with only 3 pictures, you can't really get a sense of what it does, what it has in it, and I'm sure that it's even more stunning in person. Jason, hats off to you, buddy. You did it again. Love it. Next we have Bob Ledick, and this is his very first sign. Did the Chevrolet ribbon, and not bad at all. Especially, it looks like it's probably kind of hard to carve that material. I'm not sure. It looks like some kind of pine that you put a stain on. You did really well, Bob. Hope you had fun, buddy. Next we have William Middlecoff, and this one is 8 by 12 black walnut. I love the edge. I love the scenery. Looks really good, William. I hope you're having fun, buddy. Keep it up, man. Next we have Kyle Watkins. This one is cedar, and he did some epoxy inlay, and this is a charcuterie tray with the handles on it and everything. I'm sure the picture doesn't do it justice. Terrific job, Kyle. I love it, man. Next we have Van Devers, and this one is 29 by 31. Obviously a Razorbacks fan. This one, I love the whole design of it. The color that you put in here, Van, terrific job, and he did this one for a friend of his. Great work, Van. Next we have Bill Ross. This one is 24 by 33. Looks like he used some construction materials, and that it looks like it's really hard grained stuff. So based on that, you did a great job. Used yellow pine, but yellow pine, and it looks like it's got some vertical grain. That's really tough to hold a line for what you've done here. Really looks nice, Bill. Great job, buddy. Next we have Paul, and I think I'm saying this right, Arendt. I hope I got that right. If I got it wrong, I apologize, Paul. This is from an old oak wine barrel top, and this is one of his very first signs. And based on that, geez, you knocked it out of the park, Paul. That has got to be tough to carve that, especially being an old piece of oak like that. It's tough on the router bits. You really did a great job, Paul. Next we have Eric Carlin, and Eric sent several pictures of great signs. This is the one that I picked out. The artwork is amazing. I'm sure that took you a long time to carve. Beautiful work, man. The artwork, it looks terrific, and you really are holding some great lines. I love the way you did everything here, the way the owl stands out, and you did all the owl inset, and then all of the fine lines on the moon, and all of the floral stuff in here looks absolutely stunning. Great job, Eric. Next we have Scott Horn. Scott Horn really specializes in these fire pit tables. He sent some in before. This one he made for his daughter and son-in-law. Scott lives in Fayetteville, Arkansas, and this is again another fire pit that he did. He sent one a few months ago, sent pictures of one that he did, and I'm sure that the picture does not do it justice. Terrific job, man. You could definitely make a business out of doing nothing but these fire pits. Absolutely love it. Use the profile bit and the spiral upcut. Great job, Scott. Next we have David Fees. David has been with us for a while. This is a bar top. He used 6 different kinds of wood: mahogany, walnut, sassafras, butternut, cherry, and the grout is aspen. This is spectacular. I don't even want to guess how many hours you got in this. The flag is 16 by 30, made it out of Douglas pine, 2x4 cutoffs from his wavy flag project, and he used a profile and the background bits, probably the 90 and the 60. Absolutely stunning. I don't even want to guess how many hours you got in it, but whatever it was worth it, buddy. This looks absolutely stunning. Great job, David. Bert Graham, our buddy from Canada. This is 14 by 30 by 2 inches thick, a piece of live edge cedar. Used the carving liner, the profile bit, and the 90. Terrific job, Bert, as always. Great work, buddy. Danny Ingram, and he made this for his brother. This is only his second sign, and this is made out of cedar. I love the design. You're holding a really good line, especially for only being your second sign, and this being vertical grain on cedar. Terrific job, Danny. Love it. Mike Wolf, and this is spalted maple from his backyard. Man, spalted maple, that's got to be tough to hold a line. Did a great job, used his profile and a 60 degree. I love it. The spalted maple is just absolutely one of the prettiest woods out there. Great job, Mike. Hope you're having fun, buddy. Next we have Brad Curran. This one is really cool. It is a solid piece of walnut, and he just did an amazing job. I love everything about this. The logo is cool. The lines are just straight as an arrow. Brad, man, you really knocked this one out of the park, buddy. I love it. I love all the colors, and on that dark walnut background, it just shows up amazing. Great job, Brad. Last but not least, we have Timothy Saxon, and this is, I'm not sure what kind of wood this is. Used our fatty font, great artwork on there, and I love the message here. Don't pet the fluffy cows. Great, that's great advice. Keep it up, Timothy. Hope you're having fun, buddy. I bet this one is actually a big seller. There you go, everybody. Again, that's June 18th through July 17th of 2024. Keep sending us those pictures, guys. We'll try and work more of these in so we get caught up, so we're not so far behind. We love seeing you guys' projects, and we love when we get to share your projects on camera with everybody else. It definitely motivates me, and I'm sure there's some other people out there that are motivated by it. So thanks again for watching, guys. We love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.